In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left one. Now, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on your Clipboard again and tap on your text here. If you want to use it after more than an hour, you need to pin it. In order to do that, hold it, click on pin icon in the pop-up and wait. You can unpin it the same way. To delete any of your added sentences, you can hold the chosen one and hit delete, or simply swipe it. If you wish to disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!